Okay, this is interesting. This is a 2013 Town and Country. She took it to a local shop and they told her she needs a new transmission. And they also quoted her some suspension work, and it was like over $5,000. She ordered a transmission for it. She wanted me to put it in. I come out to put it in and I seen it that had a code for the transmission. So I scanned it and it has this code, P0882 TCM transmission control module, power input low. So right away I knew that this was not a transmission issue. This is a wiring issue, because the TCM, which is built in the PCM on this, the engine computer and TCM share the same module, but they each get their own power input. So the car starts even though they're the same module assembly, because the PCM part of this vehicle still works, but the TCM had an intermediate issue. So when you drive the vehicle, it doesn't go past 40 miles an hour, and it only is limited to second gear. So if you don't know what you're talking about, you will think that it needs a transmission. So what you gotta do is you gotta find that pin to the PCM, and that is the PCM is on the driver's side in the wheel well. Take this back and it's C1 connector, which is this one right here. It's on pin 7 and it's a yellow brown wire. So start from this side, count down 7, and you cut that. And what you can do is run another power wire that is fused. You don't want to run anything more than 5 amps. The original fuse, I believe, is over here is 20 amps, but it runs multiple things. Since we're splicing into this and we're only powering the module to the TCM, we don't need a lot of amps. So we want to limit it to 5. So what was going on is the TCM, the TIPM in Dodge and Chrysler are basically just garbage junk. And anyone who works on a Dodge or Chrysler knows that any electrical problem, it's almost 90% chances to do with this box. Inside this box is a system of relays and circuits. They put all these circuits and relays inside here and they just fail. So what happens is these modules don't get power to them. A common one would be a fuel pump. In this instance, it's the TCM. So it's always grounded. The original wire right here, that yellow brown wire, would never receive power when it started. It would stay grounded. Even though you come up here and you check this fuse and it says it has power, there's an internal issue with this. So it's getting power at the fuse. Somewhere in there, the circuit is broke. It has high resistance. It's not flowing electricity to the TCM. So it has low input. So she took it to that shop and they quoted her, over $5,000 worth of work. I got it fixed for $250. Saved her a lot of money.